3 insanely good rice recipes you should try. Rice is a good alternative to mashed potatoes or steamed veggies to pair with your meat. What's good about it is that it's very versatile. You can have it as plain or as flavorful as you like. Add some meat, veggies, fruits, or some spices, and it can even be a meal on its own. Try these easy rice recipes, they're insanely good. Indian-style delicious lemon rice. What you need: 2 cups cooked basmati rice, 2 green chilies chopped, 4 small dried red chilies, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons peanuts, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon curry leaves, 1 teaspoon split Bengal gram, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon ginger, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon white lentils, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. In a large pan, heat the oil and stir-fry split Bengal gram, mustard seeds, and white lentil, followed by peanuts and cashew nuts. Stir in green and red chili and curry leaves, then add cooked rice, lemon juice, ginger, turmeric powder, and salt.